Good afternoon, class. My name is Frantz Henry, and my Facebook name is Haitian King, or HAITIAANKING. Today, I will compare these two types of government: a parliamentary government versus a presidential government. For the parliamentary government, we people only vote. We only elect the legislature, and the legislature will elect a prime minister, which will be the head of the government. And for a presidential government, we people vote for a president, and we also vote for the legislature. The president is the head of state and is also a head of government. For presidential government, there is a limit for the president, which is 4 years in the office. But for the parliamentary government, there is no limit for the prime minister. As long as he's doing a great job, he stays confident with the government, he can always stay as a prime minister, as a chief of executive. In the presidential government, it is not easy to remove the president from office. But for the parliamentary government, it is more easier to remove a prime minister from the office or from the legislature. For the presidential government, there is a separation of power, which is the three branches of government: executive, legislature, and judicial. But in the parliamentary government, there is no separation of powers. Examples of countries that use the parliamentary government is the UK, Canada, Japan, and Israel. And countries that use the presidential government is the USA, Mexico, Brazil, Nigeria. For the presidential government, the check and balance is very, very strong. That's it, guys. And my name is Frantz Henry. My Facebook name is Haitian King. It's Haitian with 3 A's. And I hope you guys enjoy my video. I was just trying to help you guys. Thank you. Have a good day.